Hello. Some music. Okay. So yesterday I I change. I changed some powder codes. Basically, what's happening when the tone is finished? It just pass on the. I just show that. Well, this is probably the most important function of the data manager because it reset everything when the tone is finished. And so what it does is that it reset the entries and the border to false. The alive thing is when the border you cannot it's just that, I mean, it's not true, and you need to wait some time in order to get back alive, and this way it's not part of the game anymore, but you have some kind of complex logic of knowing which got click, which is dead and need to be revived. So I also have a tracker of the border that counts. I mean, how long the coin and the border coin had be dead. And so before I had like really crappy logic because I was doing reassigning 2 times the border live. Now I just do in one map. So that means that what's happening when you do that is that you're going to trigger 3 function, you're going to trigger 3 events because you changed 3 data. But actually you're going to trigger a lot of events. You're going to trigger this. So you get to trigger 4, 5, 6, 7 events. But you're only interested, if you take your index, so the event you're interested is, what you're interested to everything. The change data sphere, the entry, the border, the turn, but specifically this one. Okay, so now it works better. And now I need to fix the time in define. I need to fix quota is 0, 0 now, so I have another bug also. I need to fix this bug. Why quota is 0, 0? Okay, let's have a look at it. It's because it doesn't react to the quota, changing quota also, I think. So it's setting the quota with the text, get back the value. But I'm not changing the quota on the... Because what's happening also is that... so if my data manager, and what I'm doing is that initially in my data manager I register the event and then I init the data with some delay, because for some reason I need a delay. If it's done on the same tick, the events that trigger won't have knowledge of my new data manager. And so it's init data, so it's doing that, and this parse is going to change my data manager and it's going to trigger this event. So when I'm changing the turn and not changing the quota, here I have the max quota, but it's not aware of the max quota for some reason. I know why. It's because when I'm creating the board, I'm going to use the quota, but the quota wasn't initialized. So the problem is like when I assign the data max timer, max turn, max quota, my board here is not aware of it because the init data is done after. Yes, that kind of suck. The thing is that inside my board, what's happening if I shouldn't use the scene data border map. It should be fixed. It should have a fixed array with numbers that is 0. Same thing for here. and I need setter to change the data of it. So because yeah, the problem is this is not where the bugs are. This thing work, but the problem is inside the board game actually. So the problem is that my max timer takes this data max turn, but this thing never doesn't. If I make one turn, I'm going to have the quota, I think. Yeah, so this is where the problem is. It's not starting. Okay, I see where the problem is, but I'm just wondering where I'm using the max timer. Yeah. There's a lot of way to solve that. Obviously I can have... Yeah, I need to react to my max timer, max turn. I think I already do, yes. So technically it should be 0 also, this thing. I only want to set it once. Well, there's a lot of way to solve that. Obviously what can be done is that I just... This thing can get just before... maybe I can have... You know what I can do actually? I can do that. I think this makes more sense. So I'm doing my data manager here. I register my event first. No. I'm calling the init data first. I register my event. When I want my event to be reactive, I mean on the next tick, I have to delete them. So this pair is going. I want this thing to be initiated on the start and don't be reactive because I'm using it inside the other scene. So the scene data max timer going to have this data initialized, but this thing needs to be delayed. This thing needs to be delayed in order to react. I think it will solve the problem actually. Yes, it does. Okay, it does. Change. Okay. Let's think about that. What's the next step? Is that the timer? Adding the timer is the next step? Okay. I think adding the timer is the next step. So init timer sync coin, init timer what to call it? Init timer turn. Well, init timer turn actually. Timer turn. So let's check the example for the timer. Pam palam. Pam 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 pam. Okay, so you have Yeah, you can do a daily call. What I want is something that is called every second. There's not a lot of example for the timer. So the clock one is let's just start a server to see. So you have loop event, maybe that's what I want. Start at reuse a timer event, repeat count. Ah yeah, pretty much what I want now. It's like a tick of repeat count, doing every seconds, but it's infinity for me. It's not really what I want. Loopet event. Yeah, every tick doing something. All. Yeah, they all progress in different scale. It's not what I need. Okay, so it reads the same. I don't know. I need a timer that's going to call. But I need to time. Yeah, but I need to track the time of the timer to say that every second it need to change the timer of the turn. But I need to react when it's 0 also. So I need to start, but not maybe 60, but I need to start to 0 and then keep the time that's passed. Then when the time is some value, you need to reset this timer and do something. But like, there's really two things that you need to do. So you have add event, delay call. So it's clearly it's adding an event. Let's see what I can send to that. Well, I want a loop. Yeah, but need to be. I don't want a delay. I want to start directly. What's a loop mean? If I have a loop to true, a callback. So callback just hello. And I think going to log hello all the time. Like, okay. So I need delay repeat. So I think if you're using the loop, the delay make no sense. The repeat make no sense anymore. What is time scale? Scales. Huh. If I can use one, it's going to do every 1 second. Would be awesome if you can do that. No, it doesn't. Clearly doesn't. Maybe it's 1000 actually. No, it doesn't. I don't know what this time scale is doing. Maybe you receive a time here. Are you receiving something? want to check the type that it receives. So my X, what's my X contain? Undefined, so it receives nothing. Maybe I need... Let's just next tick to see if I have something after that. No, nothing. So it receives nothing. I don't know, the examples are really not that great, I think. It's too simple. Let's check the loop event. So you have delay on event, callback scope, okay, loop true. And you're calling that, okay, it's very simple, nothing to... Okay, so what you're doing here, you use multi-timer. So on you create 32 timer. Okay, change the color, adding the graphics, and on the update, you loop over your timer. Ah, don't have a callback here. You have a list of it, you don't have a callback. So what are you doing here? On the update you loop over them. And you get the progress, so how long did it take? Okay, so you have two ways of using it. Either you have an update loop, or you have a callback. I'm surprised that you have no way to say, or you can just call it this amount of time. I think the timer scale will do that, but apparently it doesn't, so maybe I need to track it myself. But clearly it doesn't give a shit about that, so... Just repeat -1 if it does the same thing. Yeah, I think repeat -1 is the loop, doing the same thing actually. I don't understand the times. I think I can use I think if I'm debug here, I have the time. So now I have the timer. So if I do this timer turn, okay, so define that suck. I cannot use a timer turn here. That suck. On my callback. So if I'm using a callback, let's repeat callback scope. Well, he can. He can use his timer here, so why I can't? But I can't. Yeah, look. On the events. Yeah, no, it doesn't. I don't think I can. Yeah, use timer event here. The one that it created. On this callback, you have access to it. For some reason, I don't. I don't have access to this timer here. Huh. Curious why. It's not returned yet, I think. That suck. That suck. Yeah, I didn't think of that. think I can do that. Now I have access to my timer, I think. Yes. What the fuck is that repeat count? It's going crazy. Ah, this is your infinity. It's not infinity. Yes, repeat. Why is that so big, repeat count? Yes, it's that are crazy. So no delay, no repeat, a loop at true, a repeat count. Timescale 1, I don't know what it means. You have elapsed time. I don't understand the timescale. Do you have an example of the timescale? Well, it would be awesome if I just could repeat it like 30 times. But I have another one that... Yeah, but I need 2 of them. I mean, there's so much way to solve the problem. I'm trying to do it with the... with the library, with the framework with Father, because they handle it with their own timer, but I could use my own timer also, you know. Or I could use a timer inside the timer. What's the difference between the delay and the start at? Okay, I see. Well, the examples suck. They don't suck, but they're too simple. Just too simple. Time step maybe. Let's take a look at that. Delta, pick a loop, or maybe. Okay, so... What's the difference? So you have animation, you time, where does this come from? And you have time step inside your update? Yeah, I don't need that. This is just a text. Okay, this is something you receive inside your update. Not every time. No, it's not what I need. It looks like I need 2 timer, but I need to track every seconds, I mean. I need to accumulate the times to trigger the things that I want. Annoying. Still don't understand what the timer scale is doing. I just change it. If I put 8. It looks like it changed my repeat counts faster. No, it doesn't change my repeated counts. Save callback scope, I don't care about that. You think that's the elapsed that change? True, repeat count. Ooh. 6, 8. And then 2, 5, 6, so it changed it to very fast actually. No? Maybe this is it. Yeah, this is it. This 5, 6 plus 6 make 3, 6, 8, so yes. So I changed the repeat counts. I don't need that, but I can use the repeated counts to... I can use the repeated counts. Yeah, but it's... No, I cannot use that. I think I need a clock. Like, do you have a clock? Yeah, but not this kind of clock. Oh, go away. Okay. Yeah, it's... Yeah, of course you can do it this way, but... You have time now? Yeah, you can accumulate time this way. It's actually... Oh yeah, maybe this thing is going to help me. So this is only cool once. It's interesting. Yeah, you don't control how many times it's called. It's called every time your game update. It's called once, and you have the timer, the elapsed time. You can use that to do what you want. That's probably what you want. Get elapsed. Get repeat count. What is that? Get the progress of the current iteration. Elapsed over delay. Ah, yeah, I'm wrong. I think I'm... No, I'm fucking... The delay is not the... The delay starts out completely different. So I can use the delay for every seconds. So it's going to be called every seconds, like that. Delay is equal 1000, I think. And going to be called every second, I think. Oh yes, 1, 2, okay, this is what I want. I can use... So I want to accumulate something, and once this something is accumulate, it's going to restart it. So can you restart it somehow? Get progress, okay. Interesting. Yeah, I can use that actually. Well, I want a way to know that I need to start it. And I think this thing, when it's 30, no, it's 1-1, I'm surprised. I think it's get overall progress, no, it's 1-1. I think it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but I'm wrong. Yeah, I just need the total duration. So you get progress. Get repeat count. And I think that's it. Get elapsed. I'm going to have a lot of data, but I don't know which. Well, I'll just have a better console log because. Wow. Okay. So overall progress, repeat, count, and elapsed. Okay, I can use all this value to do my logic. So repeat count I don't care. Elapsed is going to be all the time 1 second, so I don't care. Progress I don't care. I don't care about anything. I still need to. Yeah, I'm surprised that my overall and my progress are the same. I don't understand. Well, I think my overall will. Yeah, maybe because it's looping. Yeah, it's looping. It's repeat the things. I think. Yeah, I think. I think this is the reason. But it started again. That's not what I want. If I will do repeat -1. Yeah, I want to be infinite. I don't want it to be repeat. Oh, it doesn't change. So if I'm doing repeat, I don't know, 30. The overall change. Yeah, if you repeat count this way, that's pretty good actually. I don't understand the overall data. Ah yes, it's a percentage. It's got 1 when this is finished. Interesting, okay. So up, 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 and my timer is finished, and I need to start it again. I need a callback that restarted when the repeat count is 0. So I need something, yeah, but it's can I do a restart something or well, maybe talk about that like restart. Raise the timer. Okay. Yeah, it's using that, then it's pointed down. Yeah, it takes the same timer every time. Because the timer is dead and you need to restart it. But you have, well, yes, that's pretty much what I want actually. This way you're not starting it because it's not registered inside your event because you didn't use this time event. This time add events to register it. But this thing accepts either timer or it accepts a list of things. Yes, so I don't know, there's so much way to solve this problem. Maybe it should be called start tone, and it's done every time a new turn starts. Because sometimes I need to reset it. It registers a new one, new timer, register for 30 seconds with this delay. When this is over, I need to do something. But I don't need to restart it again. It's not its role. So it should not be init timer, it should be start timer turn. Cause yeah, so every time I start a new turn, I got this timer with repeat. So this dot data dot max timer. This thing change. So this data dot timer is equal to the repeat count. Yes. Repeat count. And if the data, yeah, I don't even need that. I don't need the logic here. I mean, this is all I need. All it does is changing a value inside my my data manager. Yes, my data manager that's going to have, when it's 0 and when you receive a new value, just put this text to this thing. So it's going to be something like that. So you start your timer turn, then you need to listen to some events like timer. I think it's already going to change the timer now. Time, yes, it does. It does. While it's waiting somehow. Yeah, I also have turn 1, I should have. Is that turn 0 or turn 1? It's turn 0 now. This data, so turn 0. This data.timer is equal to 0. Yes, it should be 0 then when the game starts. But it's delay somehow. There's a delay. Yeah, I don't want the first delay. It's delay 1 second, so I don't want. I want to start it directly, but have a delay. I mean, this is the difference between the startup, I think. Because it's not started directly. Yeah. Started after 1 second, but I want to start it directly. The first delay, I don't want the first delay. Doesn't talk about that. Start at 0. Maybe I need that. Maybe that's my start at. I start at 0. No, it's waiting. It's waiting. Yes, yes, it's annoying. Well, I need to do that. This is your first one. Is do your max timer, so 30. Then it start the repeat count. So I think this is going to work. Syntax of undefined. I don't have max timer when I'm set start time turn. I'm starting here. Max time, I should have the max timer. So init the data here. Start the timer turn. This thing is done, so I should have the max timer. Yeah, but I don't for some reason. It's not where it's crushing. But it's crushing here, okay. Ah, yes, yes, obviously. Obviously, star is crushing here because doesn't have the time to react. Same problem. Fuck. It's too early to do that, I don't know. If I'm... No, it's still going to crush, I need to wait for something. Fuck. This is annoying. I need to register my timer. I could register my timer here. I know it's kind of suck, but... Can I do that? No, there's no way. Yeah, but I don't have this now. Yes, I can instantiate it here. Yeah, but maybe if I'm doing that, I don't need a delay anymore. That's possible. Check that for a second. I don't want this stupid delay. It make little sense. Yeah, I still have the same problem. No, it doesn't like it at all. No, it doesn't like it at all. No, there's no way I can do that. Yeah, yeah. It's this bug. It is the only reason there is this bug is because yeah. No, I can't. I can delay everything. I can delay everything on the init. Maybe this is kind of better to delay everything. Yeah, but if I delay everything, I have a problem inside my create after. Because it delays things inside my init, and when it delays that, my create won't be aware of the initializations inside the init. I need a callback to my create after this fucking init. It doesn't solve my problem. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm sure there's a better way to do that. Maybe do it inside the constructor. Actually, why not try that? Why not? I didn't try that. I don't think it's going to change anything, but I can do that. I don't have the game config. Yes, I don't have the game config. I cannot use configuration if I'm doing that. Suck. Didn't think of that. Suck ass. You know what I can... Yeah, why did I could register my event after. Yeah, but if I'm doing that, I'm missing the init data part. I want to react directly, so it's not what I want. That's really annoying. No, I can keep it this way, but it feels so wrong. It feels like it should react to the correct event directly, but it doesn't. It doesn't for some reason. Hmm. Yeah, that suck. Suck, I want to fix that, but... Suck ass. Yeah, you are not aware of your text, of course. Timer text. This is where it's crashing now. It's a timer text. Yes. Because you don't have timer. Oh no, you don't have the boards created. Yes. That's why. But you are trigger. Yeah, but if I init my data last. And this is the reaction. Still have the same problem. But now it's on my quota. Because send data max quota doesn't exist. Set text of undefined. Quota text that doesn't exist. Why? But I don't understand this error. Why do I have a problem with my quota text now? So this is where it's called. Set quota text but doesn't have it, my board game. Yes, my board game doesn't have. I think it's because value send is undefined or 0, so it's sending something. Value 0 is correct. This. So why I have an error after that? Told me you have a board game, so what the fuck, man? Ah, you think this is this scene data max quota that doesn't work? That's possible. That's possible. Yeah, but it should have it. No, because it's not even, yeah, that makes sense, that doesn't work, of course it doesn't work. Yeah, because I need to, yeah, I need to instantiate it. Yeah, and this is where I have my problem after that, because it's going to trigger event. So maybe I think the problem is that I think I know what's. So my game data manager, I'm using setter here. When I'm doing this 0, 0, I'm using setter and my trigger event. I don't want to trigger event on the first go. I don't want to go to the setter. Because if I do, ah yeah, this is why it doesn't work actually. Because when I'm initialize them, it's already trigger event. So when I'm doing new, it's going to this turn, 0 and trigger event. But maybe it needs other data. You know? Yeah. Ah, that's because I'm going to the setter and I trigger an event when I'm doing that. That suck. That's really suck, I didn't think of that. Well, obviously I can do something like that, you know. If I don't want to trigger the event, I can do that. Don't like it. Of course you don't. Yeah, it should. No? Yeah, I can turn, duplicate, turn. You think? No, I can't. Because of my setter, I think I cannot do that because of my setter. Yes, I can, okay. And I have my get turn, it's fuck up the thing, so I cannot do that. It's too bad. That's too bad. Okay, that's too bad. I cannot do that because I have already setter and get. Oh fuck. Yeah, yeah. Well, don't initiate it then. Yeah, but no, I want to initiate it. That make no sense to not do it. I just want to ignore the first event. Yeah, for example, it triggered the turn event, but maybe my turn event needs the entries that are initiated, but they don't have it, and that's why. Because you want to trigger event after that. So I want to trick I want the trick to not pass to my setter to not set things on the first go. Oh fuck, man. Fuck. I don't like this design of that. It's like suck ass. Well, I think really the best way is to have my register events trigger. Yeah, last. It should be last. Because if it's last, it's not going to catch the other event. I think it should really be last, actually. Because, yeah, this way I'm ignoring some events. Yeah, so this thing ignore events. All my first setter got ignored, that's what I want. And now I can do my init data. Okay, but the big change my init data, I cannot instantiate but I don't. Okay, I don't. So and this is going to trigger it. Yeah, I don't need that, but I'm going to. Yeah, do I need that now? Yeah, that's why I need to change it. I don't know actually. No, I don't think I do. And now I have problem. Sec text of undefined. Yes. So why? Why have set text of undefined? Where is it? It's because you don't have max turn, but you have max turn here. You should have max turn. I don't understand why it doesn't have max turn. Yeah, it doesn't because... No, it should. My board... Yeah, maybe it has data here, but... Just put the debuggery for... Turn is 0, so this is correct, but this scene data max turn is... Yeah, this is also correct. So what's wrong with that? I have something inside my turn, I have something inside my max turn. So why are you crushing? Why is it crushing? Ah, this is the turn text. That is okay. The turn text is undefined. It's a this. Oh, this is board game. Yeah, but yes, nothing. Because it didn't go to the init. Ah, I didn't create it. Yes. Yeah, that makes sense actually. Yes, because my board game. Oh yes, makes sense. Make perfectly sense that it's crushing. Should be on the create. Should be the last step. My init data and register event. Yeah, because I need my. Yeah, I have my board. That's something, but the ORO is that my board that it shouldn't have a create. Maybe it should already create it inside the init, but no, the difference between init and create are very. They're kind of fucked up. I mean, I don't know. Because it creates an empty board. Is that smart? Should it be called on the constructor? Honestly, I don't. I like the. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I can get rid of that. If I'm just doing new and then I'm coding that inside the constructor, I'm just getting rid of the create for the board and the board game. But this is like create my assets, and now it doesn't create my assets anymore, so it's kind of fucked up. Yeah, it should be after the create. After I have all my objects created, yeah, I just don't like the fact that I need to call create to have a using board. I mean, it should have new board, it should be usable, but I have a board state that cannot be used before call create. I don't know if it's make a lot of sense actually. Maybe it should be done on the constructor, not calling create. I don't know. whatever happen, it's really that my init data need to be last. I just can change that, it's going to work. It's really, the restore events, no, also the restore event should be, can be anytime, it doesn't matter actually. But need to be, the restore event need to be after I'm creating the new data. But really my last step is my create here, when I create the object. Well, I don't like that, I don't like that. I don't know, it's kind of strange, it's strange. Yeah, it means I have a board that doesn't have any value. Yeah, maybe if I want to do some kind of injection can be useful. In my case it's like it's kind of fucked up, but you don't need the debugger. Okay, so I have undefined first here. Don't have time, so don't have any reaction. It's still very buggy. No, this thing doesn't react. Yeah, I think I need to use my timer, to restore my timer after also. So I'm trying to use the data, but I use empty data. As I have undefined at 0, so it's really changing, yeah, it's changing the set text, but like my timer is not even cool. Animation still works, so why I don't have a timer now? It doesn't register it. Let's call that. It's not register it. Yeah, it should. Wait a minute. Yes, it does. Once. Wow, what the fuck is going on? It's because my data max timer is 0 when I'm trying to use it. Yes. Okay, so it need to be registered after the create. Oh, because the data max timer. Yes, fuck. I don't know, I don't know. I cannot. I need to start it after. Well, register events can go there, okay. We'll agree with that. Just after the data. Maybe it should be called register data event, but yes, make more sense. Init timer sync coin working because it's using coin state change. But this one doesn't work because it needs the max timer set, and the max timer is set just after the init data. And my init data is the last step, so it cannot be the last step. It needs to be my last step. Need to be that. Let me just put the create here, and I think like I don't know, the splitting of the create and the this thing can go there, so it doesn't change anything. So yeah, the rule is that the assets creation, then initialization of the data in order to that my events got triggered, then the timer starts. I don't know. Okay, it starts the timer correctly. I think it's waiting now. It's too fast. Too slow. Let's see how much it do. Yeah, this start correct. Start at 30, then 29. So maybe I should have 29 actually. I don't know. Want to check if it go to I think it is going to go to -1. Four, three, two, one, 0, -1. Yes. So there is no way. Okay, this is going to 30 to 0. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And then it stop. Okay. And at 0 I want to trigger something. But I don't need to trigger it here. I need to trigger here actually. So just want to change my turn now, my quota. So I don't know why it's 0 init data. Quota, max to quota. Okay. So obviously it's 0. Zero to 100. Okay, let's just commit that. So the next step. Okay, next step is to react to do something when it's the time is 0. So I can do it inside. So I can do it here. I'm testing the value. So timer. It's going to be. Let's just, because I'm going to test. Let's just change my. Let's change my max timer just now to 5 seconds. Three, two, one. Okay, so you lock that when it's 0. I want to do something, so when it's 0. Yeah, but that's the thing that is going to be triggered in. No, I cannot check victory. I need to. So when the timer is over, I need to check. Yeah, I need to check victory actually. I need another boolean on my data manager. I need a is turnover. If the timer is equal to 0, means turns over. Yeah, I think it's kind of stupid. Why does it need to check all of this? Shouldn't check the victory itself. Should just do when there's a click, the turn is ending, and then you do next turn. In data next turn, check the victory. Data next turn should be that. On the win turn, on the lose turn, finish turn. So clearly it should be. I should have a next turn here. Like next turn. And so if it's so when I'm triggered the next turn, if that's winning, I handle the win turn. If all three are active, that means I'm losing. And yeah, it should be else if all. Should be else if, but else if. And also another else if. Yeah, I could have an or here, maybe just have an or, okay. So if the timer is equal to 0, so and or. This is. Yeah, but I have game lost already, so. So I have all three active, and this shouldn't be called is game lost, obviously. This is game is max turn. It's not turn over, it's if is timer over, and if is reach max turn and is win by quota. Oh, suck. Is quota reach? I don't know if it's better, the name, I just suck. Is timer over is a good name. Is quota reach? Kind of good name also. Is max turn reach? It's not equal? No? I don't know. Yes, I think. Ah, no, maybe I have a last one. When it's 20, I still have a 1, I don't know. It depends if I start to 0 or 1 actually. I just. Yeah, it's updated, I can change it later. So now is next turn, so I'm testing. So I'm winning if the quota is reached. So is quota reach? I mean, I'm winning. So I under win turn of is. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, this is different. This is for losing the game, not the turn. So is max turn it's useful, but it's for ending the game. It's not for ending the turn. So it's really is quota reach for the next turn is not quota reach. Make no sense. Quota reach it's also check for the winning power, but not for the turn. So this is the thing. Is turn win is sphere is a multiple of goal. It's what it means, but is sphere multiple of if total is total multiple of sphere. Yeah, it's more variables, but I'm only going to use it there. So if it's total multiple of sphere, that means I win. If the all sphere active, I lose, or if the timer is reached, is timer over. It's when the timer is 0. So it look like it's correct. I'm losing the turn. So I'm resetting my combo. I need to reset, no, the reset time is done after, so yeah. I need to reset the time also here. Turn plus 1, this dot timer. Well, it's not timer, no, it's not timer, it's oh no, it's turn. Or we do that. But maybe I need to check when I finish the turn. I need to check if I win or lose the game. I'm not doing that now, but so I under lose turn, under win turn, then finish the turn. But to finish the turn, it need to. Maybe I can do it here actually. Or check it first. No, check after I under the turn. I could have another check here that check if I win or lose the game. So like if is max turn reach. Game lasts, otherwise if the turn is greater, so if is quota reach, you win. Yeah, it's like a crazy function because it's checking, so it's checking at each, when the turn is over, it's checking if it's win or lose the turn. Then it's doing all the way setting the data if it's lose, or if the turn is lost, or if it's win. Then with the change of that data, it's going to check if the game is win or the game is lose, and maybe it's going to change some state inside the data manager, or it's going to just emit an event, but going probably to change some state. This turn win does not exist. Yeah, I don't need that anymore. I just need to need. When it's clicked, you just do data next turn. Don't need that. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, 0. So yeah, the thing is, so now I need to start a new turn when this thing is over. I already start a new turn. I just need to reset my timer actually, because it already will start a new turn, but you don't see it. So this dot start timer turn. I'm not happy about that. Maximum call stack exceed? Why? Ah. Why? I don't know. 3, 2, 1, it should start a new timer. Yes, it does. It doesn't change my turn and my quota, but that's because you need to next turn also. There's 3 ways that you next turn. Timer's over, you click on the coin, or you click on the entry coin or the border coin. This is the 3 ways that... Yeah, it should be called handle, click at border, and border click at index. Oh, it's not calling it. I'm surprised I have an error. It's crazy. You're just happy about returning that. Some reason. Yeah, it's in fade, the return void type. And also needs the same things actually. Yeah, it won't. Because I need to also restart the timer, so I need to do 2 things. When 0, I mean I lost. I need to do next turn. And all the is logic is going to be checked here. I don't know, I think it's going to work. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. So it's increased my increased my quota for some reason. Why? Why does it increase my quota? It should be false. It's like it's winning. I think it's winning. Yeah, I think it's winning for some strange reason. Because this thing is correct. Okay, it's winning the turn. That's a very good question. Yeah, I think it's because this thing, this turn. Wait a minute. This thing is not correct. Problem is that 0 over 100 it's 0, so it should be false. Yeah, it's true, that's... yeah, I need to account for that. Otherwise, send back false. Ah. Okay. Although it shouldn't win though. It doesn't, that's good. Losing change the turn. Yeah, there is not a lot of indication that I'm just changing my, yeah, there's no event, that's strange. I think it was going to trigger an event when the sphere change, but it doesn't, maybe it doesn't work anymore, I don't know. So if I'm doing 4, 3, 2, fuck. 4, 3, 2 is 9, 3. Yeah, it didn't. I have a problem with my sphere, it doesn't react to the change. The text react, but no animation. Wow. No, this is some strange bug. It doesn't reset the timer when I'm correct. 3, 2, and doesn't reset the timer. Okay. Need to reset the timer. Yeah, I think I did that now. No, I don't. So finish turn, change the turn, and reset the timer. So if I win, it doesn't reset it. Fuck, why? So I'm listening to the change of the time. Ah yeah, but I'm fucked. Timer equals 0. I need to reset, but... yeah, but I need to send some kind of event. I cannot listen the... yeah, but... or I can test if the timer is equal to the max timer and reset it. I don't know. Yes. How do I reset it correctly? Well, I think the fact that the timer got reset is the best thing. Rather than doing change data timers. Yeah, but for this case, because I cannot do a condition like if timer equal to 5 because it's also what it does when it's create a new timer, so it's going to create an infinite loop. I cannot do it there. I need something like reset timer. I cannot emit? Yeah, I can. This .scene maybe? I hope I can emit data here. Events maybe? Event emit, a new emitting reset timer. Well, I don't need to send any data actually. Any value. I don't care, just... Because I can listen to this change. No. Need to be different at the change data. Wait a minute. What am I doing? Yes. So if it's you, start... Yeah, but... Maybe it should... Maybe... Wait a minute. When the timer change the text, but don't do that. Do that on next turn, yes, do that. But it's not your responsibility to start the timer again. That's the responsibility of the finish turn. I need to have an event that just say, okay, my turn is finished, you can do whatever you want after the turn is finished. Don't need to reset timer, just be aware that the turn is finished. So it's more like I need that, you know. Finish turn. So you don't need that. Don't need that. Oh fuck, I've changed my value number. Quota. Well, I'm going to put it there. So does this dot event on finish turn. And when the turn is finished, I need to start my timer again. So this dot timer turn start timer turn. Yeah, I don't even need to track it actually. Yeah, I don't need it. Well, it's okay. Okay, let's try that. Now change. Okay. So I just want to check if it's scored correctly. So I'm not doing anything like a moron. Okay, log, finish turn. Oh, it started again, so this is correct. And now when there is other way to finish the turn, it's going to track. So up, and it's starting the timer, did it? Winning turn, finish turn. I think it did now. 5 seconds, 4, so 1, and then, yeah, it does it. Okay, that's cool. It does it. Finish turn, okay. I think the game is almost done. I need to show the other data, the multiplier, and maybe change the logic of the multiplier, but it's almost done. Well, I need the tutorial also. Yeah, tutorial is going to be complicated. Yeah, I need to say what am I doing when. I'm wondering if I finish turn, but yeah, I also can track the fact that the turn is win or lost. But what can I do once this even are done? I mean, I can show a win screen and a loss screen. Yeah, I can show a win screen, loss screen. The problem is I don't know when I lose or win because I only change the text, but I'm not so maybe fix the event right now. Just okay, so let's think about it for 1 second. Yeah. So check. I need to check my my tween inside the board. So let's check the tween. It's not board game, it's board. Oh, fuck me, it's coin, of course. So I got my... So display inactive, that active. So display... I don't have revive actually. Ah, maybe I think I remove that like a moron. It should be there. I have a revive, but it doesn't take it. Doesn't take it. Yeah, it's because I cheat, on my sphere, so it doesn't revive it. Maybe it's too fast, I cannot see it, I don't know. Yeah, it does it for the first one. Up first, and then, yeah, it does it also. I don't see the change. I see the change for the first one, but after that, it's over. Can I do restart instead? Just play from the beginning. Start playing the timeline, but yeah, but it's play once and it's over. So it's not play. I don't have a restart, something like that. Stop. I already forget the difference between. Let's try. Yeah, no. Don't you have stop and start and don't have a restart or something like that? Do you need something with play? No, it's a void. Start playing the timeline. Yeah, but I want to restart it. Bum, ba-dum. Oh my god, this is good. So it's delay, I don't care about that. Oh, this yo-yo, if it's yo-yo, look at the repeat. So yo-yo is doing the reverse, I don't care about yo-yo. Pull back on repeat, repeat delay. It has to repeat it, repeat it. I don't want to repeat, I want to restart it. Every time. I want it to end and restart it. Ah, maybe it starts instead of play. Without start. Don't have a start. Fuck this shit, man. No start. Playing this pause as start. You think I need to create it again? Every time? I think so. I don't know, I feel like it suck for some reason. Yeah, no delay. I think it need to be repeat. Okay. Make it disappear. I think I need to start it a new one every time. Oh, I feel like it suck. Yeah, I think it's the way to go because it's dying and that you're creating the same one. I don't know. Because my killing doesn't work also, no? maybe it killed it once, but... Does it call my kill when I did that? I think, yeah. But, yeah, it did the revive, you know? Did the animation. But that's for my spear that doesn't work. So maybe now it doesn't work. Oh fuck man, I have a lot of bug. Already 30 turn. Hmm. They change it, but... No, there's... Yeah, there is animation. No? Feel like it? Yeah. Why is this no animation for my spear? So the reviving things work. But not for my spear. I don't understand why. Yeah, I did it first. Then revive, but it does nothing. Huh. I don't know. Yeah, it did nothing also for the other one. For the kill. I don't know. Look like it doesn't work. Does it once and I can fuck myself? Hmm. Yeah, I feel like the way to do it is that you don't even need to track it, but and you don't pausing it, so it's going to start it every time. Play. No pause, no delay. Yes, does it? It does, yeah, it does it every time now, so that was the problem. It's kind of strange, no? Yeah, the game is crazy because the timer is too small. Yes, it's the thing that, yeah, my bullets change, this is what the timer... Sometimes it's like... I don't know, I don't like the animation. Maybe I should have missed... It's too slow, you think it's too slow? I feel like the revive, the skill should start with 0.2. And maybe... I feel like it's too slow for some reason. Let's revive it. Yeah, it's better now. Yeah, it's kind of better now. Yeah, it's better. Yeah, so you kill it correctly. I don't know, I feel like you do not really understand what's happening. Maybe, I know because it's too fast, but 3-2. It's kind of work. Yeah, maybe need to be faster also, like, you know, and start with. Because some of them die. They're dying too slow. I want, yeah, some revive and the dying in the same. Some going to be revived? No? Some should be revived now. Yes. I want the dead and the revive on the same frame. Yeah, it's kinda better, no? It looks better to me. Yes, I think it's better. Yeah, it's doing. Ah, wait, I have a big bug. It's changing all my border. No, it doesn't here. No, it doesn't. Sometimes it did. It did change. So yeah, it's when they are revived. They need to change, but after they should stay the same. But that's change. Okay, that suck. You need. Has it changed? Yeah. Yes, I changed this one and the right one. Also, yeah, I have a big problem with that. They're changing too much. Hmm. Ah, but are they flashing? No, they're just changing the data. No animation. Hmm. I don't know. This is where the problem is. It changed all the border, it shouldn't. But when the border can't, but you reset them. Hmm. A minute. I don't know. I think this is where the problem is. Cause it map and it do nothing. It do nothing for some border. That doesn't match this condition. It seems like this condition is always true. Because this thing not reset it to 0. Yeah, maybe it's the order, no. Maybe if it change the data, then the ones that equal to 3, they are reset to 0. Or why it doesn't work? Why it doesn't work? Okay, so change that. What the fuck, man? Object. And let's change that. No, this one will change again for some reason. Yes, it did. Can I pause a game? Oh, I should be able to pause it. Am I adding a pause? Will help me debug the thing. I'm just going to add a pause very quickly. Index. How do I add the pause? Don't need this. It's too complex, I don't need that. No, I don't need a menu. Just need a keyboard event. Keyboard events. Dot keyboard maybe. Oh, am I using the keyboard? Touch maybe? No, events. Ah, it's on the scene, not the game. Not the game. Oh my god, I don't even know. I did it multi-time, but I forget, of course, because you forget everything. That's things. You always forget everything. You don't forget the logic, but you forget the name. It's input. Keyboard maybe, yes. Just check down. So it's keyboard, then you have add key. Fuck. No? Why? Don't have add key. Keyboard on. Yeah, but I need the key then. Can I do key down there? I don't know. Oh, is it change the API? Yeah, but you don't know which one. You don't know which one. Are you kidding with me? Don't receive anything? Ah, yes. Not receive anything. It doesn't give a shit about that. Fuck. Okay. Let's just take my other project. Oh, let's just take example for further, you know what? Keyboard. Input. Okay, input. Keyboard. Down. Yeah, you received the event, that's what I did. So what was wrong with that? Ah, it's because I did game maybe. I need to be inside my scene. Yes, probably. Why? Check if you take my event here. Okay. You think? Maybe the event. I don't know if the event is thing or not. Keyboard event. Code key. Can I have event.code? No, so it's not the type. We have other way to use that. Add key, add single key. Ah, yeah, maybe that's what I need actually. If I'm doing that. Input keyboard, add key, and then I'm doing at listener maybe on. On event string and function, so on down. On what? On what? Is down. Yeah, it's on down. Just guessing here. So I click R, I should trigger that. Okay, it does, that's what I want. So I just want to pause the scene, so this dot scene dot pause. And if I click R now. Yeah, it's always pause. So just if this dot scene is pause it, otherwise resume it. Didn't work. Ah, if it's not pause, of course. Okay. Doesn't work? Why? It take my first pause, it doesn't resume it. Take my first pause. No, it didn't. Oh, hey. Doesn't click the... Was under the Y button. Take my first pause. And then it doesn't take my second pause, my resume. It's never cool. It doesn't know it's pause actually, that's strange. Maybe sleeping is different? I don't know the difference between sleep, rhythm, pause, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so the sleep is not drawing anything left, so it's definitely not. Ah, but I'm a fucking moron, man. No, it's pause key. What? What? Why do you need a key? For what? Ah, it's not testing this one. Ah, yeah, I think so. Oh, that sucked, man. Can I just do this expose? I'm not testing my own scene? That's possible. So if it's pause, you resume it. So false, then false, and false. It's always false. This thing should be true. I don't know. Should be true, no? I feel like I need to send this .scene config.scene .keys.game, because if it doesn't take the right one, and it's pause, it never unpause it. Maybe the resume is not correct. No, because it... Oh fuck, man, this pause doesn't work. I don't know, it doesn't work. I don't understand. Yeah, I'm not pausing it correctly. Cause I already paused it, I know it's work, but I'm not doing it correctly, I don't know. Hmm. Ah, you changing a boolean? Not trigger a function? Oh, that sucked, man. Yes, that's the logic behind it, but it's not how it... This scene pause? Yeah. Cause maybe you need to restart the scene. No, I don't know. Yeah, you're launching a pause scene. I don't want to launch a scene. Oh. Yeah, the pause doesn't pause it. Oh, maybe, wait a minute. Yes, I think I know. But I don't understand why it doesn't take the this one. It's strange, I mean. But so you use it, Yeah, I'm agree with that if you were doing like ifs game dot scene, but when you do this scene, you are into your own scene. You obviously want to act on your scene, not on the all different. But it's not how you use it apparently. Maybe that will work now. I don't know. And pause. In pause, no, it doesn't work. Doesn't pause it. Ah, you know what? I know why it doesn't work. It's crazy. It's because I'm adding a cable, I'm adding a key inside my scene, and when it's paused, it don't register the key anymore. It don't go into it's looping and not register the key. And that's why I cannot do two lot inside the same scene. Ah, this is crazy, man. I think I can just, register inside the game object instead. Can I do that? No, I can't. Ah, yeah, that's crazy. I didn't think of that. Ah, I didn't think of that. That's make me so sad. That's really make me so sad. Yeah, it's not register this event. Yeah, that suck. That suck. Can I do this game dot input? Yes, I have. Keyboard. And I don't have that key inside them. Ah, that's weird. Yeah, it's like globally listening event not on your specific scene but on your game. Ah, that suck. I didn't think of that. Hmm. Yeah, this input I want. Ah, that suck. I didn't think of that. Can only register them into a scene apparently. So if you pause your scene, it's not listen anymore. So maybe I think the thing is it shouldn't be paused. Because I want it to be paused, but still to react to keyboard even. So yeah, that's why you're using. That's why the way of doing that is you're using a pause scene that do nothing but impose it. That's a way. That's a way to do it. Using a scene just for the pause. Yeah, with a pause menu, because technically you have a pause menu, or you do something on the pause, like you show your game its pause, so that kind of makes sense. So I understand why they do it this way. But actually, it's better. I mean, it's better when you know it's. But obviously, this is really good because you have every keyboard depend of a scene active or not, and so you can change what. Yeah, this is way better. That even global one. Obviously, this is way better. This is just in my case, I want a global one, but. So what do I do? Am I doing another scene? Just a pause scene? Well, let's just do a pause scene, you know what? Okay, game scene. What do you have scene? Wow, obviously. So I want the pose scene. But it's a weird scene because it's only used inside the game scene actually. Maybe it should be called pose game scene and be on the game scene. Because it only makes sense here, so. I don't know. Yeah, it makes more sense now. Pose. .ts here. This got rid, and then you have a game scene. .ts, and you're moving that here. And you re-export inside your index. My god. What am I doing? Game scene. Well, I don't know. Because it only makes sense here, but I don't know which one is better. Have it inside the scene. Whole game post scene. Or have it inside the game. Yeah, but why it's called game scene? Maybe it should be only called game. As you have seen game. Ah, yeah. Yeah, it should be called. Yeah, but why scene? Should be only game. I don't know. Oh, I don't like the hierarchy of my folder now. But it's okay. No, it's okay. I mean, it's weird because my game scene, I have the post scene inside my game scene. That's the only strange things. But this way you can know that it's related. You know? Oh, I don't know. I guess it doesn't really matter. Game scene. This thing. Post scene. Yeah, I just want to add the post to see what's going on more easily. Stop in time and just not lock everything. Go into the config. Pose game. Oh, game pose. Game pose. Okay. I need to re-export that. Pose scene and game scene. Yeah, technically everything still should work. Yes, of course it doesn't, because okay. Well, now so I need to add this as P, and then it need to start. Doesn't even new music. So it doesn't even need to check that. We don't need any conditioner. I need to pause this thing, so my own scene, and I need to dot start config dot scene dot keys dot pause. Why are you not happy with that? Not happy with that. Pause game. Game pause. Pause the scene, it starts. I think I can just start it, it will pause it the other one automatically. I'm not sure. I'm not sure I need the pause actually. Maybe I need it. There's nothing to do here. Okay, this is where it should be. Bum, bum, ba-dum. So still P down. Then it's pausing yourself, and it's starting. Start the game. Let's see if it's working. So I'm pausing. Okay, disappear. So it's. I think it's the start. I need to launch. Yeah, if I'm doing start, it's pausing my. It's stopping my own scene. It's not pausing, but stopping it. So I cannot do start. I need to do sleep, I think. Oh yeah. This.scene.launch. I think I need to launch it separately. Can I just... No, they always start, I don't know. Yeah, I don't think it's a good idea. This is pause. Never go there. So now pause, game scene, and pause never goes there. Doesn't launch it. Huh. Yeah, it's never cool. I mean, I need to start it, but I think it should start. It should start both of them. What it should do inside my boot, my menu actually. Bum, 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 bum. So it starts to scene directly, so all it does is pausing this one when I'm clicking here. And all you're doing is just pausing yourself actually. That's all you need to do. Doesn't need to restart it. You just pause yourself. Doesn't work. It's not even cool. My LO is not cool, so look like the launch doesn't work. Ah, this music is good. Bum, 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 bum. It's not good there. Oh my. Oh yeah, I know why. Bum, 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 ba-dum. Bum, ba-dum. This is weird. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, ba-dum. Bum, ba-dum. Bum, ba-dum. Bum, ba-dum. Bum, ba-dum. Just as debug, you just trigger it here. Oh, this music is good. Oh, this music is good. It needs a pointer. Why do you need a pointer here? Don't use it. Okay, I don't care. Don't need that. Okay, let's try. So now I'm pausing and pausing. Doesn't work. I'll start the menu, then the menu go here. Handle the play. So pausing. So it did it, but the launch here, it's never listen. It doesn't. It didn't start it. Yeah, my launch doesn't work. It didn't even start it. Oh, I know why. Oh my fucking god. I know why. I forget the most important step. I forget to register it. Okay, and then pause. Did nothing, but it triggered the hello, so triggers this thing. Can you trigger that? Ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba- I think it did, but it just doesn't start the other one. Pause, hello, and then pause, nothing. Yeah, it did it, no? Fuck this hello, in it. So it did it. But it paused my scene, but it didn't restart the other one, so I need to resume this, no? This dot scene dot resume. This is funny. Yeah, but yeah, I need to resume, but it's already started. You know, I don't. Yeah, I don't need to resume this one. Well, actually, all I need to do, I don't need to pause myself. I never need to pause. Yeah, but if I don't pause myself, yes, I did actually, because it's going to listen to these two events. It's going to listen to. Yeah, I did. I need to do that. Oh, SB need. Yeah, actually, the launching phase has a problem. Yeah, it need to be stopped when I'm launching it. Can I send that? Yeah, I'm wondering if it started or not. Launch a given scene and run it in parallel with this one. I need to pause it directly. Can I launch and pause it directly? Bum, bum, ba-da-ba-bum. Pause. Launch, launch, launch. Scene not launched, don't start, don't restart. Yeah, it's running in parallel, but I don't want to, I want to pause it. It's actually asleep for the pause one. I need to sleep it. Ah, this been good. Make this scene sleep, then start the given. Start the scene given. Really what I want. It's a switch for both of them. You have a pause rhythm, but no, it's not switch because if I'm switching my main one, it won't show anything. So I can only do a switch in my pause. Yeah, I can do it. I can do a switchy. Config.scene.keys.game. So I switch this scene sleep and then this start the game one. But I still have the problem of launches here. I need to .sleep. I need to sleep this one. And then on my game scene. So So on my game scene, when I'm pausing it, so I need to pause myself, and then I need to, yeah, but the launch is going to start it. I don't want it to start it, so I cannot use, no, I cannot use that, because it's going to start. Then start, I don't want it to start, no, I can do that. I can do a switch, it won't work. No, I cannot do that. I need to dot scene dot yeah, I just need to use this, pause and resume. That's all I need to use. And sleep and wake. So I need, so it's sleep, it just need to change here, okay? So this one is started. The pause scene is sleep, but it's also started, but it's sleep. When I'm clicking it, I want to pause myself. So this is correct, and then I want to resume. I want to wake. I want to wake the scene.wake. I want to wake the pause one. And this thing I want to sleep myself. And I want to unpause the other one, so I want to resume my game. I think it will work now. Okay, so pause, and then unpause. Yes, it's working. Pause, unpause. Yes, it's working. Okay. Okay, that's what I want. Okay, so I don't know what's the next step, but yeah, probably is going to be to build my menu. Oh yeah, and of course the reason why I did that is to change my border. It's my border reacting for no reason, and I don't know why. Let's take a look if I can fix that quickly, but I'm probably not. Okay, so now it's going to fuck up everything on the next turn. Okay, why? Why it's fucked up everything? With border that counts 3333 0, and the other one it's still 3. Yeah, that's a problem. It's never reset. Yeah, they are never reset for some reason. I think the problem is here. here. What's wrong with this condition? I don't... Oh, wait a minute, what am I doing here? What the fuck am I doing? Of course I have a count. Why have a ternary of ternary condition here? What the fuck am I doing? So if count is 3, or greater than 3, then it's 0. Otherwise count plus 1. But why do I have 2 of them? What am I doing? I'm checking if it's alive, okay. Okay, I'm checking if it's alive, because I don't want to change it in this case. Okay, I see why I did that. Why it doesn't work. If the border is alive. Yes, yeah, but if the border is alive, it doesn't change the count, that's correct. But when it's revived, yeah, but this thing is going. Yeah, but the condition is it's checking the wrong way, I think. Because this thing revive it, but and if this thing is revive it, it's never going to. Well, it will stop at this condition. It's never going to test the count is greater than 3. Maybe it should be done before. If it's done before, I'm using the datcon here. It depends of the datcon already. That should be because it should be after. Yeah, but I don't want to increase a live one. If I'm just remove the border alive index, I'm going to increase a live one. I don't want. I want to increase only the dead one. But the problem is that I'm putting them alive when it's 3, and so it's never going to this condition. Ah. That's bad. I need to change this condition. Don't need a ternary, just make it more complicated, I think. So if counts is greater than 1, just you return 0. Else, if the border is alive, you return yourself. Else, yeah, but if the border is alive, yeah, but I still need to recheck my count. I mean. Yeah, but it does it for the confer, so if anything it's greater than 3 is return 0. And this is my first check, and this is the most important check. Maybe I should reset this thing like that. Return condition. If this condition is true, just do it 0 as you reset. Otherwise, if you border alive index, so if it's alive, you return count. Otherwise, you return count plus 1. I think is this sense it's going to work. I don't like that. Else. Okay, let's just check. Up, 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 up. Okay, wait. And then 2, and then technically it should not change. It doesn't. Okay, that's working. That's working. Cool. Okay. I stop for today.